This is going to be the Vantic C-shaped end table. You're going to get a set of two. These are the small side tables for the couch, and these are perfect for a sectional or a modular couch that has a smaller base. We're going to go ahead and put this together real quick. Everything was nicely labeled, which I liked. Everything was easy to do. The instructions were all on one sheet, so I could look it over in advance and see exactly the steps before I even started putting it together. Now, as you can tell here, you're just going to attach the two pieces. It's going to give you the Allen wrench, the screws needed, everything you need to go ahead and put this together. It was super simple, and for both of them, it probably took me about 18 minutes. And I was also videoing, so it was really simple to put together. You just want to ensure everything is tightened. Here are the bottom pieces. You're going to want to go ahead and screw those into the bottom. And I went ahead and added a felt piece onto the bottom of these just to ensure the floor was not going to get scratched. It's also going to come with this little hanging basket area. You're going to simply use the B-screws and screw those in. Now that would be great to hold a cell phone or remotes, TV guide. Here are the two tables after they've already been put together. As you can tell, I have one slid right over the armrest of the modular couch. Fits perfectly, but you're going to want to check the dimensions of your couch. This nice little side pocket is going to hold all the remotes, and you can just slide them in easy. And then you can move the table around as needed.